Here is the quickest voice AI system setup ever. We'll have retail to build our AI agent, and then we'll connect an SMS channel to the voice channel through the interface. Within the interface, we'll also have a dashboard and the pipeline. I'm doing this video to show you guys that your builds usually do not matter. What matter is how you can scale, create an offer, and find clients. If you go to the retail, we can simply create a single prompt agent blank. Let's put some basic information. Let's say we're gonna create it for a company called like insurance brokerage company in Vegas, something like that. So let's find some random company somewhere here, Assured Partners. Let's actually go to ChatGPT, and I'm gonna use Typing Mind to create a prompt, right? So I'm gonna go to this Assured Partners, whatever this company is doing, I'm not sure. So can you create me a prompt for a voice AI agent? Use markdown formatting, do the goal persona rules sections, use human language, make it reply short and informal with phrases like gotcha, got it, okay, sure, like, I mean, etc. Here is the company. Again, we obviously have the prompts, but I want to show you how you can do it freely from scratch and easily. Now, obviously, it's not going to be perfect, guys. What I'm saying here is that, give me a sec, don't use examples. What I'm showing here is that everyone has access to the same tools. So you just need a way to productize it, to be able to quickly build up the prototypes and the demos to your clients, and then resell it for lower ticket upfront and then bigger retainers to actually show the value and lower the risk for your client. So let's put this, let's actually use 4.0. I think it's going to be good. No, it's 4.0 real time. Okay, let's do 4.0 mini, and then we'll use and like Andrew. I like Andrew, so let's use Andrew. We're not going to use functions. User initiates. Let's do initiate begins with dynamic message defined. So wait, so hello, welcome to what insurance. Hello, this is Andy. Are you looking for an insurance? By the way, I have no idea what this company does. Let's also, you know what, let's go back. Let's create a knowledge base here quickly. Demo insurance, save knowledge base. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Insurance demo docs text here. Let's put it here also. Let's go to what are business insurance. Like these are the type of the insurances, for example, that they offer, right? So I'm gonna copy this here. Let's do a business insurance also. Copy this here, save. Not the way that you want to build a knowledge base. Obviously, you need to structure it properly in the markdown formatting, but that's all right. I'm not sure, is it working? Let me check. Guess it shows 0 kilobytes. Yeah, sure. Okay. Now, so if we go to our, where is it? Single prompt agent. This one, probably. No, it's not this one. Andrew, this one. Sure. We're going to connect the knowledge base here at the knowledge base insurance demo. Not going to use functions, speech, this pretty okay. Now the webhook settings, this is very important. The one thing is to build worse. By the way, I forgot to save everything. Oh, that's great. Okay, save. Sure. So basically, one thing is to build an agent. Another thing is to actually get your client access to this agent and then manage it. So if you, for example, go to the one prompt, You can build the same thing on the high level, or you can get access through the one prompt. We will have the voice, right? And there's a process called automation. Let's actually make it available here. What we need to replace the webhook. So we're gonna get this workflow will be triggered when we are triggering this webhook. Okay, so I'm getting this webhook. I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, and we're basically ready to go. So now when we are going to talk to this agent, and after the agent will actually trigger this webhook, this webhook will trigger this scenario, right? So we'll analyze if this is the call analyzed event. If yes, then we'll create a contact. So the contact will be created using the create contact name and email. So this is very important because we need to pass the information from the retail on the contact name and email if it was provided, so either or. In order to do that, you actually need to specify the post-call analysis here, right? So basically, what we're doing, if you see the response before that, right? So where is it? Probably at the end somewhere. So we have, so we have full name and email. So let's say we'll custom analysis data. So we'll use the email here and add text email that the user provided. And then it's going to say the full name. Okay. Basically the text full name that the user provided. Now we're ready to go. After this call will be ended, we're going to trigger this workflow. Everything will be analyzed, and then we'll create a contact. So let's actually test this thing out. What we forgot is to attach a phone number. Let me use my UK phone number. Okay, so there's an inbound agent. Wait, which one is it? Let's actually rename it so that it's easy. Single prompt agent. Say this will be insurance demo video. Okay, like that. Exit. Phone numbers. Insurance demo video. This is the inbound. So let's make a call right here. I actually have this number already on my phone number. So let's see.
Hello, this is Andy. Are you looking for an insurance?
Yeah. What are you selling?
Okay, so we offer a bunch of insurance solutions. Like we've got business insurance, personal insurance, employee benefits, and risk management services. Whether you need coverage for your home, car, or business, we've got you covered. What are you specifically interested in?
Yeah, sure. So can you please write down my email? It is Eugene at... Sorry, no. The email is eugene123@gmail.com. And my full name is Eugene James.
Got it. So your name is Eugene James, and your email is eugene123@gmail.com. Just a heads up, I can't save that info for you, but you can jot it down somewhere safe.
Sure.
Need help with anything else?
Now, so as you can see, guys, literally in 3 seconds, we've been able to build an agent. Like, again, so for those of you who know how to do that, that's pretty obvious. But for those who don't, like, it's not hard. Like, so you literally do that. Yeah, like it's not production version. So in the production version, if you're using, for example, retail, I would actually suggest you to use something like the workflow, where you can control each and every step of the workflow, and then you can call the functions, and you would set it up a bit differently. Now, if we go to the process calls, this scenario was triggered, right? So as you can see, Eugene James. What is more important is that this is, for example, this could be your interface that you can give access to your client, right? So you can have your agent here, or for example, the inbound voice agent. So this is the inbound voice agent, where you're gonna have how many calls you received, the dashboard, and all the stats. And you also will have the contact here, right? So this the contact was created with this phone number and with the email as well as the full name, right? So you can go to this contact and your client can message him directly through, like, for example, WhatsApp, SMS, or email, because we have the phone number of this contact. And you also have the actual pipeline, right? So within the pipeline, you can have the inbound voice AI agent, and there is like Eugene James need action, because there is no, like, we never said anything about the booking service information on billing information. Okay. Now, the last thing that I want to show is that this is like an actual use case that we were building multiple times for our clients. Is if we want to connect, so for example, someone called, then let's say your client saw this conversation, right? So saw that it needs the action, maybe needs to confirm something, and then they just confirm something through the SMS, right? So either send something themselves, or you program AI after the call to send them an SMS or the WhatsApp. What if we want to have the inbound agent, Omni agent, that will also reply to the SMS, right? So basically, again, you can build it yourself through the high level. It's one of the only options right now. You can custom build it through the interface. It depends. But what you can also do is you can go to the text, and we have the process DMs and wait the replies. So if we publish these options, and by the way, these workflows are specifically designed for the SMS, you can replace it with WhatsApp, email, Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, whatever. So if we're publishing it right now, if we are going to send an SMS to this number, say, hello, how are you doing? Sorry, I'm sending now. So I need to actually send it from the, because I'm sending as from the business perspective. So I need and actually say it from here. So hello, how are you doing? Do you sell any cars? Now, so basically, as you can see here, we're getting the messages. So I'm sending to the same number. So this is the same number that you have on the retail that you connected. This is the Twilio number. Then you connected Twilio to the one prompt. And basically here, you're getting that. If you go to this, for example, automations right now, you will see that these messages got received, right? So, and now, as you can see, we're generating the reply. So, like, yeah, sure, obviously you would need to build a separate agent on something like VoiceFlow, and then replace your API keys here, right? But you are supposed to get we are supposed to get a message very soon, and we program it in a way to, as you can see, to wait for X amount of seconds before actually start processing, sparsing the voice. So yeah, it's super slow today. Okay, now okay, we are starting to get the messages finally. Yeah, so this is the first message. We're supposed to get the second message again. So this is like a separate, it's not the agent that is built on this information, because you would actually go into, for example, this template, or you would build your own agent, right? So this is the template that you're getting within the one prompt, right? You can customize it, and you would upload the knowledge base here. By the way, this is also lagging. I'm not sure why I need to reload every time. Yeah, so we got 2 messages. So as you can see, within something like 18 minutes right now, this video is, we've been out of this 18 minutes, we've been waiting for 5 until we get the message. Within basically 10 minutes, you can really deploy a voice AI agent and also connect it to the text channel. I'm showing you this to explain that the barrier of entry in the industry is very low, especially when you have something productized that you can resell to your clients. The only difference between you and someone else is, again, in your ability to productize and scale infinitely with little resources, and also your ability to sell, create an offer, and pick the right niche to sell your services. See you in the next one.